we have something to test out and see how they are. So first thing first is Proxy 5.1 inch props for my Deep Space Seeker 5. These props, originally I was using Hurricane 5133, something like that, which came with the drone, but I was searching online for something a little bit different, maybe some props to test, and one of the first suggestions was Proxy 5.1 props, which is midnight black. I think they have a slightly bigger pitch than Hurricane 5133, I think. Yeah, this is the name, yeah. This is one to test it out, and plus there is another thing, which is RadioMaster Pocket Crush white edition. As you saw before, I have Boxer Crush white one, but basically today I will be testing out on the first flight with Boxer Pocket. Okay, so I will tell you the reasoning why I have it. If probably some people will be asking why you are getting Pocket if you have a Boxer. So the first thing is the size factor. Size factor of this, and as I'm planning to travel somewhere and this one is smaller, so lighter, so it's easier to take it with you, put it in a bag and so on. That's why I got this one. It have stock sticks. They feel a little bit more tense than, I know that I can reduce the tension and everything this, but I just wanted to see how they are straight away from the box. So basically, let's take a look on what it is. So it's basically the same HTX, so Express LRS receiver, as I have it on my old drones, and it's very easy to connect it. If someone wants to know how to connect it, I'm connecting with binding phrase, so it's very easy. Just change the binding phrase on new controller and all drones is working. So basically, as a feeling of the props, of the sticks, is a little bit, you know, because of course Boxer Crush have AG01 CNC gimbals, so those is like smooth as butter, but these ones is just a plastic hollow, yeah, I think gimbals. So they feel more or less okay. So of course I connected before to see if my mapping of the buttons is exactly the same. So by the surprise, it was exactly the same. So Pocket have very small screen and exactly as well as the same as a wheel, mode, system, everything is exactly there. Okay, they on top, they have toggle switches, two of them I will remove, so two of them is toggle switches. So as on the Boxer I had arm switch on this side, it went exactly to the same, and here they have 3 position switches, which is exactly the same as if you look on the Boxer, they have metal switches. The second one is this one, and on the other side is exactly the same. So as a sort of as a mapping of the controller is exactly the same as on Boxer. So this is what we will be doing now. We will be testing out how it is with flying. I think my throttle is a little bit too loose, but anyway, I will try it and we'll see how it goes. So, and yeah, it's very small. It's very small. You can just fit it in the palms very easy, and it's way lighter than Boxer. Good thing is that it's using exactly the same batteries as Boxer, so 1865. 650. So because originally I wanted to go for Zorro, but Zorro have different batteries, and in Cyprus is a little bit too complicated to get any sort of batteries for drones or whatsoever. And plus it's have nice foldable antenna, this one, the Pocket. And yeah, I didn't get the Zorro because I had already batteries from Boxer, so I can use them on straight away on this one to see how it is. I mean, I like it. I like the Stormtroopers theme as a white ones, and so as well as a Boxer, it's exactly the same. They have one USB-C under and one USB-C on top, which is the top one is used for data or connecting all the simulator and so on, and the down one is used only for charging. That is good. And there is SD card slot here already coming with the SD card in, so you don't need to put your own or whatsoever, because HTX is on the card and all your models and everything is on a card, so logically they will send it with the card. So as well you have, I think here is the receiver bay. Yeah, so you can connect other receivers if you want. So I like it, but of course it feels a little bit small, and we'll see how it flies. And plus, of course, the proxy props, which I like how they are a little bit glitters inside. I mean, so, and of course I have R-Line 1550 batteries, 1500 batteries. So let's get it up in the air and see how it flies and how feels the new controller. I mean, till now I was trying, because I have neck strap and it's a little bit too complicated to connect to this one because it's way too. So here I have my neck strap, which is a little bit too big, I think, for it, because it's not actually going through. But if I press somehow like this on the side, nope, it's not going through. It's not going through. Okay, I mean, somehow you can hold it. I mean, let's see if you put it on the neck. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's holding. So we'll try with this one. It's Drone FPV Racer. I'm not sponsored or anything, but if you are in EU and you are looking for some nice shop to shop parts for FPV, then these guys is doing amazing job, fast delivery, everything, so amazing. So, and they are located in France, so batteries, of course, they can't ship, at least to Cyprus they can't. So anyway, let's plug in the drone and we'll see how it will go.
Welcome to HTX.
Welcome to throttle warning. Everything is fine. And let's practice. As you see, I have my bando in front of me. Of course, we'll be trying the Seeker 5, Seeker 3, Seeker D Stellar as well. So it's basically like a small practice evening, let's say so, to see how it goes. So anyway, let's get up in the air. I'm not sure with these ones, should I use the pinching or thumbs? Anyway, we'll see. Okay, the gimbals straight away feel more tense than actual, but okay, I adjusted the gimbals on Boxer, so, and it's slightly windy, so yeah, but I like it. I mean, it's way smaller, and the movement of gimbals is not so big. I mean, you don't need to, because these ones is sort of mini. I think you can upgrade these ones as well AG01 CNC gimbals mini they have. So, but okay, it feels nice. Okay, let's say if you want to do the roll, it's way, how to say, you can't say way. You don't need to move the gimbal so far. Because the distance which you need to move, let's say gimbal, to do the roll is way less than on Boxer, because exactly the gimbals is way smaller. So, but okay, the yaw is a little bit weird in my case, but yeah, I love it. I mean, it's really nice control. Exactly as all RadioMaster controllers, I mean, they are making very nice quality products, and as it's HTX, so it's easy to connect with Express LRS. So as I mentioned before, if someone actually wants to know how to connect controller to your drone, then leave down in the comments. Okay, low battery already. Oh man. Okay, let's. Oppa.
Telemetry lost.
What I done? I didn't do anything. It just crashed. So anyway, so again, so that was. Whew, I didn't break the antenna. I thought that I will break the antenna. Props hit something. I mean, a little bit the leg, but anyway, that is not a. So yeah, one battery down. So I have another one 6S, because let's say for the practice rounds or whatsoever, I'm just charging basically for the practice evening. Let's say I'm charging just 2 6S, 2 4S 850s, 2 4S 650s. So just to try with and practice with every single drone, let's say with the 5-inch, with 3-inch, with Cinewhoop, and so on. So let's see the props. Okay, nothing special. I mean, I just now hit the metal leg of the chair and they seem completely fine, because there was the thing that there was one comment that these proxy props is more durable than Hurricane. So till the moment I think they are a little bit more durable because they didn't break. So props, love them. We'll be flying with them for some time and we'll see, maybe we'll switch completely to these ones. And so I will leave the full spec or whatsoever of these ones down in the comments. And let's talk about Boxer. I don't know. I think I like it. The size factor, of course, it's... The only thing is that these buttons, which is on top, which is the toggle buttons, they are sort of in a way when you are flying. So I think it's quite easy to press them because they are not actual switches. So, but other than that, the purpose of it, why I got it, I think it's doing perfectly the job which I need, which is basically for traveling and less space, easier to carry around on. You can put it in a backpack or whatsoever. It's not so bulky, it's not so heavy, so love it. So that is my new controller, which probably I will not be using all the time. I will just go back to as well Boxer, but this is for more like traveling reasons, because it's exactly lighter and not sponsored. I bought it by my own money, so, but I love it. Foldable antenna, nice. So I tried every single drone with Pocket, and I will tell you this. With 5-inch, it's a little bit, how to say, maybe too small, but the traveling aspect, of course, it's amazing. But I tried the Pocket with Stellar 25. Oh my God, it's way easier to control it, and it's way more precise. I assume that maybe this how I'm not sure if it is so, but exactly, the smaller size for the Cinewhoops is amazing. So it was just future me. So after sometimes flying, and it's slight wind, so the Cinewhoop was a little bit, going around. But other than that, Pocket, RadioMaster Pocket with Cinewhoops, amazing combination. Not the best combination with 5-inch, or 3-inch was more or less okay, but Cinewhoop, amazing. So just let you know. If you have some questions, maybe for something still about the deep space products, if you have something, I'm still not sponsored, so you can leave down in the comments and I will get back to you. So if you enjoyed the video and you learned something new, or didn't learn anything, so then that's mean that you know way more than me. So anyway, so thanks for watching. You know what you need to do: like, subscribe, whatsoever, blah 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 blah. Thank you for watching, and I will keep practicing, and see you in the next one. Bye.